Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to use skip logic in opinion stage. Skip logic, also known as branch logic, lets you control which question appears next, based on how someone answers the current one. Let's see how we can use skip logic with this form example. You can use skip logic in every item of opinion stage. This can help you keep the user experience smooth without making it too long. It also lets you ask only the most relevant questions. To apply skip logic, open the Settings tab on the right-hand side. After that, we see the Skip Logic section, where we can set up our rules. In the first question of our customer feedback form, we ask customers how long they have been with us. If they choose less than 1 year, we want to show questions about onboarding and setup. If they have been with us for more than 1 year, we want to focus on more advanced questions about features. So if the user chooses less than 1 year, we show questions about how satisfied they were with the onboarding process. Since this question comes right after the first one, we do not need to set up a rule here. For the over a year response, we skip the onboarding and first setup question and go straight to the question about features. We can also show different closing messages based on the user's answers. As the last question, we ask users if they would like to have a quick meeting with our team to discuss their feedback. If they choose sure, we show them an outcome where they are asked to schedule a call. If they prefer to be contacted by email, we show a thank you note as their form outcome. When our rules are set, we click Save. At the end, all we need to do is republish our item to make sure the changes are public. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.